I throw away salutes give you when they look me koro and they hear me whine. On top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this now the Ogbonge program will give you license to talk about the for body as E DEY HOT. As soon as take no on top of as E DEY HOT, we carry topic where they come on smoke to discuss about it concern everybody will be Nigerian. Today, all now very important issue when we say we don't look at from one angle, but today we want we recommended glass to look at where. The National Security Advisor, that now Colonel Sambo Dasuki, for statement when he be they discuss with some international news people, we been talking. Say this 6 weeks extension, when we say INEC don't use give for this election, say they go take crush Boko Haram people and all the bad things when they do inside this Obodo Nigeria. Some people go look at God and say yes. Now only have we talk this kind of thing because of say as he be the National Security Advisor, he sabi as the thing they go. Other people come talk say, this thing when they talk, oh, say be like say na dream, oh, say not be true. On top of us E DEY HOT today, we go chook mouth for this matter to look whether it's possible or whether it's not possible to achieve that thing when he talk in the 6 weeks. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when sabi well as he concern this matter as E DEY HOT.
And that brother wey sabi well, his name never change. His name na Nkubi. Chukwudi don't introduce the issue of today to now. We dey look into waiting Oga Dasuki talk. Say in the next 6 weeks. In the next 6 weeks. Me na listen. In the next 6 weeks, say they go do it. Them go counter Jackie Chan. Everything. Make sure say they do it. Then come out Boko Haram come out from our Obodo Nigeria completely. How won't they achieve this one? She no be say anyway. Make I not just start my argument right now because to an extent, if it happen, to me I feel say monkey hand somehow would they inside. Let me not talk any further.
Yes, our people went there for house. Una remember say una fit join this discussion with you on top of Facebook. Go the Wazobia fan page, like them. Anywhere where you see our thread, chook your mouth on top. Make the discussion they continue. We do on top of Twitter too. Follow us at TV as E DEY HOT. All the breaking news, all the pidgin English political discussion where you feel expect for this whole Nigeria and the whole world, E DEY on top. And we get a website where if you send your email to asidehot@wazobiatv.tv. And as usual, as the only television station where if you go to take use make a pepper soup for you, we knock una with 3 telephone lines. Can't give you toll-free line. I go talk them again. What if it toll-free line? You go call. You go talk. The full Nigeria go to hear you, but now we go to pay. Yes, Nkubi, no need to waste time. But before we come begin to check this one when we say Oga Sambo Dasuki don't talk, make we just look some kind of gist when we say happen for inside the country and outside the country when relate to what they discuss. The former president of this country, 1999 to 2007, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo for Nairobi, capital city of Kenya, when go launch in book. One book when court say make no release, but in can't release my watch. In talk say somehow with the way when he take talk, it be like saying he endorse.
No, we don't see the sign. We don't even see the sign of the endorsement since because you don't need to open mouth talk say now this person I want. Body language alone go tell you say look, it be like say I go support this person. Body language, of course, they're enough to just tell people, say, okay, see the person this person they support. So, but now you don't come declare them officially. Nigerians say, look, say, I want to support that man of change, that man who I believe in. That man who I know say yes. To an extent, that's what we'll never see so far. Say, Ingo Tuam for Obodo Nigeria. So that is why we see the former president, we don't gather enough experience to say, okay, yes, make I also support this man for us to see that transformation, that change.
You know why I'm happy as I see this thing for news?
Why are you happy?
I just raised my 2 hands for air. I can't thank God for democracy.
Why?
Democracy is beautiful.
Why?
When Abraham Lincoln talks say democracy is the government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Now this government of Jonah, now I mean envisage, now I mean see when they talk. Okay, Jonah, they're very liberal. They're very open-minded. They're very, very free.
Why we know this?
What thing you want me to
Under democracy, young man, under democracy, we don't witness that. We don't
I go talk on top of this show.
Oh.
Now only one PVC, now you get. Now only one vote, now you get. You don't endorse General Muhammadu Buhari.
You never talk about the influence.
Because of, say, Oga Jonathan don't allow, say,
you never talk about the influence. See,
Oga Jonathan, kudos to you.
People who believe in a particular government, go always they believe in a particular government. As long as the former president come out and say, look, I support General Buhari retired. So look, you never can tell. It might also carry along a mass supporter. But now only one PVC na him get. Listen, mass supporter but of now only one PVC mass supporter, mass supporter. On one vote we stand. For Oga Shegun stand. And Obasanjo to support her, we self go follow because we believe in this same person. So let's move on.
Thank you very much. Nigerians can see the transformation for themselves. From Katsina to Kaduna. I'm not going to even come here and begin to talk of the Almajiri schools. The Almajiri system when we say they don't enthrone them on top of our society. Oga President look and say, no, if we don't work, we are going to change it and
don't deviate from the topic of today.
Oga President.
Don't deviate from the topic. Make we enter with say, no content to give one kind of praise away when Nigerians don't take their own eye see. Nigerians don't see what they want to see. This is a praise away they give now. You know hold water. So go ahead with your topic and stop giving us.
It's a fallacious statement.
It is never a fallacious statement.
So come and don't say Nigerians don't see what they don't see. You see, you get one thing when my party always they talk. And I go quote them here today. I go quote them.
Quotes.
Simple.
Quotes.
In the land of the blind.
No, quote. Go ahead.
Allow me to finish. I need the way to quote this thing. In the land of the blind. You know what happened in the land of the blind?
No, if you define now.
Thank you very much.
If you don't blind before,
thank you very much.
Never can tell.
I know, say if I complete this quote, you go take them as a personal attack. So I will cut it here.
Don't just.
I will stop the quote. I will not
just cut it there. If your quote will somehow launch an attack on me, just hold it there.
Thank you very much.
Just hold your quote there.
From this thing where you don't talk now about launching attack, now I go come start my own argument from.
Okay.
Thank you very much. I want to put it to every Nigerian. You when they watch me say why he be said the opposition for this country they like to politicize any issue when come out. Colonel Sambo Dasuki, the National Security Advisor, a seasoned, you understand, a disciplined, a trained. Those of us when go command know what they talk. A trained military personnel come and talk say in 6 weeks this man was quoted out of context. Why people go come and talk say the man talk say. But the exact in his exact words,
this is what I think it is.
Every non-Boko Haram hideout,
the only reason,
every non-Boko Haram camp will be destroyed in 6 weeks.
6 weeks, when the Boko Haram camps don't want to destroy in 6 weeks. Over 4 years, what did they see? What did they look?
Thank you very much.
They don't leave them, make they don't keep people. They don't draw into battle. They come now, where elections don't draw near.
That's the fallacious statement.
Elections don't draw near. They don't find the solution. They don't find the result. They don't find the result to how they will take do it. Get rid of Boko Haram.
Thank you very much.
Boko Haram over 13,000 people now they don't waste. They don't join about that time coming now.
Thank you very much.
What now they can buy? Now they can buy the minds of Nigeria. Say yes, you are working. What are you working? Lives were lost in car.
Thank you very much.
People were in car.
Thank you very much.
Properties were lost in car.
Thank you very much.
Why not say anything about all this?
Thank you very much.
6 weeks. 6 weeks. What are you saying?
Thank you.
Tell me something else.
I go come again from this my argument.
Tell me something else.
Nigerians, make we check am, dey Google. I go talk am. The first known incident of an attack, I go talk am for English, perpetrated by Boko Haram was in 2002.
I am not arguing with you.
Thank
but
you.
How? Okay, look at it over these 4 years.
Thank you.
Look at the spread. Look at the rapid attack on the lives of Nigerians, civilian Nigerians.
Thank you.
What has the government done? Nothing.
Number one.
It has not addressed it severely.
You don't
you just carry like say this thing. You don't even address and do what you supposed. It can't be 6 weeks to election.
Thank you very much.
Now they won't address that.
You don't ask important question. I go answer.
Wait, make I even ask you.
The Nigerian government has invested finance, resources into the war against. I don't even call them Boko Haram.
They have
against terrorism.
So why didn't you see result? Why will not see result that time?
We have been able to curtail the excesses.
This level of result they don't give us now. This quick result they don't give us for 6 weeks. Why they don't give us in 4 years or in 3 years, in 2 years? It comes in 6 weeks.
Thank you.
6 weeks to election, my people. When I hear me well, 6 weeks to election.
Thank you.
Monkey hand there.
Thank you. What will be the nature of the battle now? The battle don't different. Okay. None of us will go.
Because I say other countries don't come join.
Thank you very much. Why you talking about?
Other countries don't come join.
Thank you very much.
Have you asked yourself what have been? Me, I know just talking.
No, tell me. No, tell me.
No, I know raise issue.
When we they call for foreign assistance,
I not talk with Nigeria.
When the Nigerian government they call for foreign assistance, what did anybody do? Nobody did anything. Even Jane Saki, special official of the United States of America, talk say they no go sell weapons on. Say our military that they use them, they carry out evil. How can you say such a thing?
Why is Nigeria a part of? Why is Nigeria a part of AU?
Why AU?
Why is Nigeria a part of West Africa ECOWAS? Okay, why don't you carry this but I go meet them? Make a sort of fee. Thank
you very much.
What are you saying?
Thank you very much. I go come give you a Igbo example. Yeah, just yesterday for interview when Bashar al-Assad, president of Syria, give Intocam, say he don't understand the operation of the United States of America and the allied forces inside the country. Oh. Bashar al-Assad asked for help before America begin to fight the Islamic State for inside Syria. Why he be say they want make we write customized letter, come put love on top, put spray perfume, come post and go meet them before they come help us fight terrorism.
The one, okay, let us hold on. Okay,
monkey and
we bring her from this point.
And this one,
Oga Dasuki go come and talk. Say, look, say you no go fear ensure the security of Nigerians for this election period. Let us now look at it. Make we break them down. Okay, where and where these things they happen? These things they happen for 3 major or 4 states for North. Fine. Okay. We know say they don't send out.
Remember, say they don't take over some local governments.
Hold
14 of our local governments.
Listen to me.
14 of our local governments. Now what they always use as excuse?
I'm still talking.
How can they take 14 of our local governments?
They don't send out military.
And our allies don't do anything.
They don't send out military.
People when they claim say they are sister countries, they don't do anything.
Will you allow me talk?
You can't come and allow me talk. You must talk. You must talk.
They can't say that they don't send out military to these places. Okay. See what them say. The entire military now sent to this go address the issue of insecurity.
Thank you very much.
Hold on, I'm still talking.
Thank you very much.
See, based on this election, whose job is it in the first place to provide security? Maybe the law enforcement agents like the police and the civil defense.
Oh.
Over past election, what we don't see.
Oh.
Okay. Why are you guys they make us so mandatory? Say military go there, man. People will go do it. We go protect. We go provide security for civilian things.
Because of the situation of things in the country.
You know hold water at all.
You see, make I tell you.
You know hold water.
You don't say
because already we don't hear rumor.
But what is the nature of the battle?
We don't hear rumor already about Ekiti State election.
Which Ekiti State election?
Ekiti State election. What happened there? We don't hear rumor. We don't hear rumor. And they take do it. They take do wuru. Take rig that election very soon. Nigerians, men are hear me. Very soon. Anyway, make I not talk any further.
That's a fallacious statement.
It is never a fallacious statement.
It's a fallacious statement. For you to come out and say they do wuru for Ekiti.
When you know.
They go election tribunal.
They're threatening people. They're threatening even the governor himself.
Which threatening?
Ordinary security officer.
Which threatening?
Threatening the governor. So who are
you? Be a sitting governor and you are so unpopular. Check the election results.
When the governor is so active in his job,
people came out.
The governor is so active in the work they do. What else do they want?
Which work
what are you saying?
According to Abraham Lincoln, democracy is government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
We all know that.
If the people say they don't want you, they don't want you.
Because the election was rigged.
Which rigged?
It was rigged.
Which rigged?
It was rigged.
It's a baseless statement.
It is never a baseless
because you don't have facts.
The truth will still set them free. The truth will set us free very soon. The truth don't they say.
Which truth?
It don't they unfold. It don't they unfold.
Our people went there for house. Unasi said the discussion on the hot. We never even enter inside the main cocoa of the matter. We just discuss for the surface. By that way we dilute her. Come begin to look the inside. We'll not go see so many talk there under this one. But we'll go rush, go on break. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion as E DEY HOT. Today,
you said go enter.
You go talk. Welcome back to As E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk as they be you for body. And the topic we will discuss today now whether it's possible, say we Niger soldier people go fit finish the Boko Haram people and their badness in these 6 weeks when we say we'll come take election on the 28th of March. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi dey inside studio and we dey discuss the matter as E DEY HOT. Now, I've been talking before we go the break, say, una dey like to dey politicize every issue. Every issue una dey blow am out of proportion. How you go tell me, say, in 6 weeks, considering the nature of the battle now, remember say before na guerrilla warfare we dey fight. You no go command, you no go understand. Guerrilla warfare, hit and run tactics, now these people they use. But now, Niger, after 6 years, Niger, Chad, and Cameroon, backed by the African Union, don't realize say we supposed to tackle Boko Haram now. Now the United States of America is talking tough.
Why did they come towards the election?
Why did they ask me? Go and ask them.
That is the question we should be asking ourselves. Why this solution they come now where election don't they reach?
Thank you very much.
That is the question I want you to answer.
Let me answer it.
Over 4 years, nothing has been done. Over 4 years, people don't die. Why it comes now 6 weeks? Okay, let me just say, they don't extend the election to 6 weeks. Why it comes now that within that 6 weeks, they extend the election? Then they want proper solution.
Thank you very much.
To the insecurity issue.
Thank you very much.
They are busy carrying a campaign. They don't address them. It can't be now.
Thank you very much.
To tell you, say Chukwudi, monkey hand.
Monkey hand not there inside any soup.
Monkey hand.
Monkey hand not there inside any soup. Now lie.
This is it. I'll keep saying this. Look, the military when they say they want to conduct, when they want to put out a security this thing, make us also tell ourselves the truth. These are the same military we say, look, normally, civilians know they do this thing. We know how harsh some military people they be. So this thing will bring growing fear in Nigerians to say make them come out, come vote, because in the first place, Nigerians might not have the freedom of this to come and say, I won't vote.
You cannot speak for Nigerians. You are speaking for yourself.
I am telling you.
You are speaking for yourself.
Nigerians will know how we react to things.
Which how we? You are generalizing.
Look,
that's a fallacious statement.
I am telling you.
Don't come and they talk say Nigerians. We know Nigerians. We know which Nigeria. You go talk for yourself. No, you talk say Nigerians.
I am telling you.
Increasingly.
This will deprive a lot of people from coming out to vote.
Which deprive? Which deprive?
It might deprive people from coming out to vote.
We want a safe and secure Nigeria.
It can't be
and we believe that in 6 weeks, according to what Oga Sambo Dasuki don't talk, we go crush out these people and their badness. Every of their camps, we go take them out.
A typical example.
Every Nigerian should come out and support the Nigerian army.
Nigeria, this is what they are trying to tell you.
Nigerian army.
A typical example is this. Federal government places Tinubu under surveillance. And who are these people? Military. They got the house. So look at it here. Look at it here. Nigeria, look at it here. This thing, they say, look, where else? He say,
you must read that paper. You must read what's in the newspaper.
Supporters protesting the invasion of government house. By who? By soldiers. By soldiers, Nigerians. So tell me, what has the opposition got to do with the insecurity issue on ground?
Sensationalism.
Sensationalism. You are trying to deny the opposition from coming out to express their own feelings about the condition of the country right now. Now, what take force collect this thing?
You see, make I tell you.
That's what it is becoming right now.
You see,
this is more like a martial law.
I must register my displeasure.
On what?
With the way when we say some people, they write things for paper or they talk things for
What are you saying?
How can somebody come out and say the federal government
don't place the national paper?
Don't place Tinubu.
This is the national paper. This is the national paper.
Who says such a thing?
This is the national paper.
Excuse me, sir. Those of us when
this is the national paper.
We know what is surveillance be. What is surveillance? Surveillance now when you place person under watch.
They monitor the person when come in house.
They monitor what they do. Thank you very much.
In the end, what they want to do with those ones.
So because of say we don't our military personnel, our distinguished and highly trained military personnel.
So Tinubu don't become threat for now.
Which threat?
Because of the activeness,
which
because
threat?
Of the strong political awareness we don't establish.
This is a fallacious statement.
Okay, government has Imonko.
Thank you very much.
Government has when they send military go guard the car.
Thank you very much.
On what ground?
Thank you very much.
Why?
For every action, there is a reaction. The time when somebody talks that they go form parallel governments, they do anything. This is a proactive measure. It's a proactive measure.
Proactive measure.
Proactive measure.
Denying people the freedom of freedom of movement.
Not even this one that they talk
denying
about.
Nigerians the freedom.
Not even this one that they talk about. One thing I see they insist, we say, with the cooperation of our sister African countries like Chad, Niger, and Cameroon, and the backing of the African Union, and even the United States of America, even this morning, the envoy of the United Nations, Ibn Chambers, he come and talk, say, yes, they believe, say, together, collectively, we are all going to defeat Boko Haram. Why the whole world, they fight IS, and they call Nigeria alone to they fight Boko Haram? 6 years, nobody raised any eyebrow. Because Boko Haram begin to attack villages for Cameroon. They can't see that their problem now. Niger don't they vote, say they join us now. Chad don't see that their problem now. Can you see? You left us alone for our problem because that isn't our problem. Now everyone don't come out.
Revolve around.
In 6 weeks, our Nigerian army will take over and destroy Boko Haram. We are going to win this war. Fellow Nigerians, we are going to win this war.
6 weeks. Why 6 weeks to election? Why 6 weeks to election? That is the question I'll keep asking Nigerians. That's what I'll keep asking your people.
This battle don't assume different dimension. Chad don't agree to assist us. Cameroon don't agree to join us.
From the position where
Niger don't agree to join us. And now we are going to flush out Boko Haram by the special grace of God. Our military personnel, they try. They do all their best to ensure we flush out Boko Haram. And we're going to flush it out. The opposition should stop politicizing this issue. The opposition should stop politicizing this issue. If Nigeria they say, not be for all of us. If Nigeria they say, not be for all of us. If Nigeria no say, you will come and come vote. If Nigeria no say, you're going to rule this country. The president of this country not rule an unsafe and unstable Nigeria. This issue is to ensure that there is peace in this country. And we are going to make sure we have peace. The Nigerian army will ensure. In 6 weeks, we are going to pursue them out of this country by the special grace of God.
Is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces.
Thank you. And Oga Sambo Dasuki is the national security advisor.
He's the commander-in-chief of the armed forces, which of course gives him the right, the power to decide what the army go do.
And if the United States of America no one say weapon for us, say our army that they carry out activities of that.
He don't say that army, okay, say, now we'll do it. Now going to make sure say this election, anyhow we want to. Now so now
that's a fallacious statement. That's a fallacious statement.
That's not.
It's a fallacious statement.
I say Ekiti is a sign.
We sign.
Ekiti is a typical sign.
We sign. We typical sign. What about Edo State? The number of military people will come out for Edo State. Maybe Adam Soshomole still win the election. What about Ondo State? What about Anambra State?
You people are planning to rig this election.
Ekiti now is the high point. Ekiti now is the high point.
You are trying to keep.
Why should the opposition politicize all these issues?
In power.
Una go come and talk say army they support government. Army they do this. The essence of the army now to protect the country. Now una see come and say 14 of our local governments they don't take am. Now we want to take it back and you are saying no. America don't sell weapons to Nigeria because they don't say our army they do bad inside the country. Why you don't want to sell weapons? What in Niger, Chad and Cameroon they do this for 6 years? For 6 years. We dey fight Boko Haram alone for 6 years.
Your talk no.
Now all of them don't come. They're going to join us. Just last week Friday, Boko Haram go attack one prison for Niger. Their parliament come vote to send people. Boko Haram they kidnap Cameroonian girls. Now they don't agree say they will send people. Chad don't they see the threat. Now they don't agree to send people. For 6 years, what were they doing? What did they do for 6 years? Your talk no hold water to me. You no hold water. What did I do for 6 years?
You have not been able to answer my own question.
Now Barack Obama don't wake up, come decide say we go pursue Boko Haram. What did I do for 6 years?
Why this?
What were they doing for 6 years? No, what were they doing for 6 years?
Pick up this call, I beg. Adisset, they call us from local jar.
Oga Adisset, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Adisset.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Adisset.
The issue where they be say, whether this government go do am or they no do am, wetin dey there be say, since the government, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, whether in 7 years, whether in 10 years, or as long as he say if he tackle the situation, under 6 months, make we give am the chance.
Thank you.
6 weeks.
Thank you.
6
weeks.
weeks.
Panic over this thing. The time we they no do am now, we say they no do am. Now they won't do am now. We Nigerians now, we don't begin criticizing.
Monkey hand.
Thank you. See him. Tell him.
Monkey hand.
Make I tell you, Oga Nkubi.
Yes.
We know all of us in this country. We know say everywhere where you go, monkey and they ever lead inside soup.
Because that them now.
Okay.
Leave and make monkey and then inside. Make the cut and throw away from the soup.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Adisset.
Oga Adisset, you don't make very good point.
Thank you very much.
God bless you. When we dey fight Boko Haram alone, nobody do anything. Now Boko Haram no dey attack Chad, Niger and Cameroon. They don't come decide say we go gas fight them together. Why leave us to our fate? Why? No, answer that question. Why?
Why will I answer your question? Why will I answer your question?
Mekudi, they call us from Lokoja. Oga Mekudi, good morning, sir.
Kaduna. Good morning, Oga Mekudi from Kaduna.
I'm calling from Kaduna, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Mekudi.
Good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi. Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
I'm in the office. I cannot watch you, but I'm following you on Twitter. Sorry, I don't understand how to speak pidgin, but I will try anyway.
No, okay, try.
And what I talk be that this one it can be true and it can be lie, because if you could remember Chukwudi, you could remember our former NSA, that's Azali, he say they are boys, they do all this kind of thing. So when they say they feel Akulam now, we feel greedy they can do them for this issue.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Let him land.
6 weeks, sorry, 6 weeks. But what I'm saying, it could be.
Yes.
These people, they are not ready to do this. No, they have their own hidden agenda. I'm telling you. So they just shift this election so that they will get another chance to do their.
Thank you very much, Joe.
But anyway, I cannot be a partisan. I'm not partisan, but let them try with the weight.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Problem.
Oga Mekudi, thank you for believing in the Nigerian army. We believe in the Nigerian army. We salute their gallantry.
Oga Mekudi talk wetin dey my mind.
Wetin dey your mind?
Wetin dey my mind? Now I talk to.
Wetin dey your mind?
If I say they get what kind of backyard business they do.
Which backyard business? Which backyard
business? That's why they bring up all these things. What are you saying?
You don't ever ask yourself.
Reason.
You don't ever ask yourself, say, why it be say Nigeria was left alone in the dark. In the dark. To fight against Boko Haram. African Union, they don't do. They don't discuss the issue. Nobody talk anything about them. Now, everybody calling this and our problem.
Okay, Oga Chris, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Oga Chris.
Or his.
Okay, or his.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, gentlemen on the studio. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. I better reduce the volume of your television.
Issue of this Nigeria, whether army, not army. People should
reduce the volume of your television. We didn't hear you.
Okay, issue of army or not army, we should not politicize this issue.
Thank you. Tell him.
Wait, hold on.
What we need in this Nigeria now is that we should be praying for Nigeria for peace to reign.
Thank you very much.
That's what I want.
And again, if you look in the situation of security in Nigeria, federal government have to spend more money for security.
Thank you.
Why is that? When you see Obama travel all over the world, he don't go with anybody. Camera is everywhere. Viral camera. We should not allow issue of PDP or APC to divide themselves.
Tell them.
Tell him too.
Everything should be okay. Nigeria should give more power to all the security agencies, that we should have correct servers that will be monitored in and out of where government is going, where all the whole political people is going, so that president can move without evil convoy. If the government can move without convoy, you will just surprise that governor visited hospital, governor visited without anybody. When he is going, after departing from that place, they will say that is the president, that is the governor, that is how the issue of Nigeria should be. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Ois. Oga Ois he don't even talk with you. He don't talk with you. Don't provoke me. He don't talk with you. Don't provoke me. Thank you very much. Nigerians make una dey hear.
Waiting.
But before I talk that one, make we take this call. Peace. As a man of peace, they call us from Sokoto. Oga Peace, good morning, man.
Good morning.
Okay, sir. Man. Good morning.
Your voice strong, go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What did I want to say? We talk all this. Some of you now this Lagos, now know what they happen for us.
Thank you.
You don't know what is happening. Mostly Nkubi, you don't know what they happen.
Tell him. You know they travel.
No.
You know they travel now. Tell him. You know they travel.
Hold on.
Tell him.
You say we don't need soldiers during election. Let me tell you something. We need soldiers. Those people that will not come out and vote during election, they are the people that will cause trouble, because if soldiers come out, they are there to protect us. If you are coming out to make peace, why are you afraid of soldiers when you come out? If you are not a troublemaker, come out and vote. It's the troublemakers that will stay at home because of soldiers. And it's good for us. Let me tell you, you have not gone to Meduguri before. See, let me tell you, if you know what is happening there, you are just in Lagos meeting us. If you know what is happening there, those soldiers are working. They are trying. You are just making math like every year. Let me tell you something. The thing is that you pray. If you people win election, you will say they didn't win the election. If you don't win election, you will say they didn't. What's the meaning of that? Let me tell you, Nigerians, all we need to do as a people is to pray for our leaders. Pray. I mean the North. See, let me tell you, last election, after election, you people did not take the results. You kill innocent people, coppers, kill them in the North. And you know the tension. See, we are happy to postpone election. If you know the tension in the North, you won't be saying they should not postpone election. Most Christians are not in the North again. They traveled home. Why? Because of the tension here. Two people are in Lagos, you are okay, doing well. In the South, you are doing well. Come to the North and see what's happening in the North. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Peace. Because of this when you talk
fact,
now, I am now at peace.
This is your talk where it touched me. It touched my mind.
Why you not going to touch your mind?
No.
Because you know they talk
because I'm in Nigeria.
You know they talk to.
No, the time they talk to.
Somebody they call us from Sokoto.
No, the time they talk
from
to.
Sokoto.
Hold on, Oga Prince, they call us from Kaduna. Wait, what are you saying? Good morning, Oga Prince.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
And
good morning, Oga Prince.
You see, this issue of our army wants 6 weeks to fight insurgents. One thing we say, I believe in our army.
Thank
and
you.
I believe that they try. Because to fight insurgency, no be easy thing.
Thank you.
Because people, they lost their life during the process. Because issue of security, that's something we must consider, and a very, very important issue.
Thank you very much.
What I want us to do is say, look, they pray for them.
Thank you.
Look, they pray for our Nigerian army, because look, put in our mind, say, our army, they try. And if they say they want 6 weeks to fight insurgency before election, at least, what in our Bible say, make we encourage them, not be so we criticize them. Because I know you today here. Because even if they not fight them, finish in their 6 weeks, at least they will try to reduce pressure.
Thank you.
So we're not supposed to criticize.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince.
That is how
Oga Prince, thank you very much.
Oga Prince, thank you very much.
What they do now, make people know they see the good work we say President Jonathan they do for us. Because we are not satisfied.
Thank you very much,
Oga Prince.
6 people don't call. 6 people don't talk.
It's a lie.
6 people don't call. 6 people don't talk.
No, they give yourself. No, they give yourself. No, they give yourself results.
Please.
No, they give yourself results.
Everybody don't talk.
What do you talk?
How you go? Why would they politicize? Why would they politicize them?
Hold on, we get under color. What worry you?
Don't tell me to hold on.
Maxwell is calling us from Abuja. Good morning, Maxwell.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Maxwell. We dey hear you.
Okay, so all these people they talk. Who be Boko Haram?
Thank you very much. Assam.
Hold on.
Boko Haram.
Assam.
All the people come up for PDP. All the people come up for PDP now and go back for APC. That talk said that one correct, that one do correction for what they want to do.
Thank you very much.
That day for PDP. That not do that correction now. That go for APC now that will do correction.
Thank you very much.
So okay. I want to tell something to know that all this is happen. Gulo not get fought for this thing. Gulo is a woman being that is a person that one problem for his life.
Oga Maxwell, it shall be well with you. Oga Maxwell, it shall be well with you in a maximum way. It shall be well with you in a maximum way.
All these things that now this election that ship now. Gulo not ship that election now. In them PDP come with the election that we say now not vote for so place. Now where they find to be in problem.
Thank
so
you.
all this thing that happen. Any person say the PDP na bad regime, that person don't know something in the talk. Because all this I want to say PDP is the people that help people. See now everything they do no more for us for this country now. Before, not today. There was for them the company now there for this and Nigeria, anything want to do now outside. Before me I be businessman. They do window. And you won't buy material that time, you go import first. That will bring them for you. Now, you get money, you go buy them for Nigeria now.
Thank you very much.
So
made in Nigeria.
Wait, you did Nigeria now, would they get them sharp? All these things, all this that they talk, all now money people they find. All people they come out, they talk now money. Because now today I want president, I want Senate. I not get ticket for PDP. I go go back for one party, go into PDP. That's what they happen for Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Oga Maxwell.
PDP not do anything bad. PDP not do anything bad for this war.
Tell him. Thank
you very much, Oga Maxwell.
Oga Maxwell, thank you very much. It shall be well with you in a maximum way. If those I be pastor, I for just they pray for them, they pray for them, they pray for them.
I know if you pray for them.
See what people they talk.
See Chukwudi.
No.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi, no.
Nigerians are
Nkubi.
These are just these people who call don't call.
Nkubi. I take
Don't ask me any question.
No, I take over.
Don't ask me any question.
No, answer this question.
I know the answer any question.
If you are a man of truth, answer this question.
I know it depends on the kind mind I get to answer or not.
You see, maybe we take Matthew. Why are they
what are you saying?
Oga Matthew from Abuja. Matthew, good morning, sir.
I'm able friend. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Matthew.
Good morning, Oga Matthew.
Good morning, my two amiable friends.
Thank you very much. We dey hear you. Oga Matthew, I beg talk well for this matter.
Talk well.
Please, yes. You know, in an election, if there is no security, there is no way the election can go well.
Oh.
People will be afraid.
Oh.
So, moving the election, shifting this election from the normal day, February 14th, is very, very okay. So if you follow what is happening in Nigeria, it's very, very okay. Because without the presence of the army, police, civil defense, the election will not go well. And you can't expect army to engage Boko Haram somewhere there in the north and be coming to do election.
Tell him.
If you want the election to be free and fair, so the army, the police, everybody present need to be there on the election day. So even that 6 weeks, if army cannot combat the Boko Haram, they should even shift it again. So that when they fight that one, then they can still election. And in the issue of PDP or APC,
Mr. Matthew,
even though they will change Nigeria, not Buhari will change Nigeria now. They should look for a young person to change Nigeria. So let good luck continue the remaining 4 years, even 10 years to come. So we should not deceive ourselves. We only look where we fail. We don't look where we succeed. Why can't you look where we succeed? It could be.
Mr. Matthew, I beg, if you go church on Sunday, put double offering. Work on my behalf. Hey, Mr. Matthew, don't talk well. Our people went there for house. We go rush, go this break. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion on top as E DEY HOT. Everybody don't talk.
Wait, everybody talk. Hold on.
12 people don't talk.
Yes, welcome back. The program now as E DEY HOT. And what will they talk about today? Will they look into waiting the National Security Advisor, that is Colonel Sambo Dasuki. What will they talk about getting rid of the insurgency where we don't disturb us over years in the next 6 weeks. People don't come out, come look and say, look, this is the way this man talks. Okay, somehow, say if it is achievable. Why some people talk, say, look, say, sure, say this is the way they talk, no, and that way to just win the minds of Nigerians. You sure say, okay, I know them. Chukwudi dey here with me. Of course, for your own side, if he say yes, say in there on top of the ladder. But as usual, Chukwudi, know as they take present your own results, where we say, from their own angle, know as they take rig election. And from the way they talk, where don't they give me count, say, in don't they lead by 8-0. 8-0, it's a class and say, this is how you people rig elections.
You are attacking my personality.
I'm not attacking your personality.
You are attacking my personality.
You remember the other day.
And you go down there with a rig. Why will you say such a thing? Is it not clear?
Remember the other day, we had 14 callers.
Peace.
We had 14 callers.
Mr. Matthew.
In the end, what do you do?
Everybody
that 14 callers go either way. You go either way. What you can do? You can add extra 3. Join your own. Can't give me figure where don't know where it come from.
I know not 2 I had, no be 3.
Now 3, Chukwudi.
Now 2 I have.
Now 3.
You see, you are not even correct. How can you be able to bring
now 3 you add. I don't know whether that's 2 or 3.
Not be me.
Now 3.
Not be me, Adam.
Oh, you see,
I had 2. You say you had 3.
You see Nigerians. See, from your mouth, you are telling Nigerians what you are.
Maybe I can't give you a good example.
Don't give me any good example. I don't want your example.
Excuse me, sir.
Because your example might be full of rigging too.
Excuse me, sir.
Your example might be full of rigging. I don't trust you.
Niger, Chad, Cameroon, the AU, the United Nations, the US, all of them know they talk, say, okay, now they believe, say, the multinational force people pursue Boko Haram come for this country. Make I come ask you one question. If your pikin they smoke igbo for inside compound, and your neighbors then they hear the smell.
Chukwudi. No. I know ever for life, my life, they smoke Igbo. No ever, Chukwudi. See, with the mood I did now, we say you don't lead this thing. Don't make me vex. Don't make me vex. Why you go use my pikin do example? My pikin see they grow. Why you go use my own pikin? Do I say if my pikin they smoke Igbo? Okay. This is one of the reasons why I say, Chukwudi, make you mind yourself for this program. Okay. Demand yourself. Igbo, what has Igbo got to do with what you're talking about? Okay. Oh, if you they smoke Igbo inside. We get caller. Hold on. We get caller. Umi is calling us from Kaduna. Good morning, Umi.
Good morning.
Umi, thank you very much.
Hold on.
Good morning.
Good morning, Umi. As I hear your voice, I know say you go talk.
Me, I want to talk my talk. They say if this military no stop Boko Haram for over 5 years, 6 years, they no fit stop them for 6 weeks. So I not say may the government no shift or may security matter talk say may they no shift them, but they no fit do anything within these 6 weeks. And not the only say soldiers, a Nigerian army we get civil defense, we get Nigerian prisons, we get police and all those ones too fit do them. And in every state, apart from those way they down northeast, we get soldiers for each state again.
Yes, thank you very much.
That one. And me, I come from Maiduguri. Gone inside Maiduguri. My parents in Maiduguri now as I talk. Those civilian jets here inside Maiduguri, they do things past that Nigerian army. Why our people, they do things like this? They say, and this one they fit do. They not fit do anything. They don't fit do that thing for that 6 years. And people, they say, oh, God, I don't do that. I ain't try small. Let's see out of 100%, try 20%. Is that what we need in this country? At least, let's see now. We're not going to open our eyes and see waiting they happen. Let's talk true. If they try not be 20% out of 100%, now that kind of thing we need. We need change.
Thank you very much, Umi. You have spoken my own mind. Thank you very, 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 very much.
Umi.
This is an indigene of Boronu.
Umi.
As a matter of fact, one of the affected
how many times I call your name?
Not to mention her name here.
Umi, how many times
don't listen to her. Don't listen to him, rather.
Umi.
We got another caller. We got one caller from Ikorodu.
Julius, they call us from Ikorodu. Oga Julius, good morning.
Oga Julius, you there? Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, Julius. We hear you. I bet chook your man sharp. 30 seconds.
Chukwudi, I know what you do.
Thank you. Ask him.
Chukwudi, what do you talk? Are you not a Nigerian?
No. Excuse me, Mr. Julius.
Hold on. He's talking.
Someone that cannot use 4 years to conquer this Boko Haram, and he's now using 6 weeks, and you think it's possible. If Jonathan is deceiving Nigeria, he cannot deceive me. If PDP is deceiving Nigeria, he cannot deceive me. You understand?
Julius.
What they are trying to do is to plan to rig the election.
Julius.
Chukwudi.
Julius.
Okay, Julius, thank you.
Okay,
you have spoken my mind too.
Thank you for this, your personal opinion.
Thank you very, very, very much.
But you and Umi, I go tell you now one thing.
What are you telling them?
Multinational force.
What are you telling them? Don't tell them anything. What are you saying?
DJ, African Union.
What are you saying?
We are going to defeat Boko Haram in 6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yes.
6 weeks.
Yes. You don't go command. 6 weeks. If you go command,
and I tell you, say, if not defeat, monkey hand there.
Nah lie.
Monkey
hand
there.
We are going to defeat it. Our people wait there for us. We always talk when we come to this part of the program. Say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. We know, say everybody get their own opinion. If you talk your own and your brother talk your own, accept them like that. Try join them together, make una meet for me do. But one thing when we go talk, we say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. Anything what we fit do for this country to ensure, I go speak English, to ensure say peace, unity and progress for this country, make we do am. If not to talk good, to use support, talk. If not to pray, to use support, pray. Nigeria no go spoil. My name is Chukwudi. Until we come back tomorrow with another Ogbonge topic to discuss. As 14 people don't talk, say our army in 6 weeks.
It is a lie. People will come, 10 people will come.
Which 10?
10, yes.
14 people
from me,
say we
do what? Now bye-bye. Tomorrow they come.
They don't buy anything.
What are you saying?
I just said.
What thing? I just said this thing.
Chris.
You don't mention all that issue yet.